Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Tech. It's your boy Loki. Today we're going to do episode 3 of 25 things to ask the Google Home Hub. And as always guys, I'm going to mute the command so it does not disturb your Google Home. But with the Google Home Hub, the answers are the same, but you do get some cards, some suggestions for carry on questions and just some follow-ups. So yeah guys, let's continue. Pick a card.
9 of hearts.
Well, that didn't show anything, but it's a bit sad. Find me a recipe for chicken pot pie.
Okay, here are some recipes.
So that's really nice. They're showing me stuff, so if I click on them, it will get me to the recipe. And I can start cooking, so that is really nice. So if I start the
Before we start, heat oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Let me know when you're done.
So you can see, and it just keeps going, but we're going to cancel that. We don't want to cook now, so let's continue. Do a barrel roll.
Playing Do a Barrel Roll, lyrics on YouTube Music.
Barrel roll, barrel roll, do a barrel, barrel roll, do a barrel.
What's the loneliest number?
1 is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. That sentence sounds weird.
It does. Can you rap?
Hey you, so you want a rhyme? Here's what I can do if you'll spare me the time. I can stick an appointment in your diary and I'll attempt to answer your inquiry.
So yeah, that was pretty decent enough. I'm not going to say that was bad at all, but yeah. Up, up, down, down, left, right, A, B, start.
Cheat mode enabled.
Who's on first?
Rapper's Delight was recorded by the Sugar Hill Gang.
I'm your father.
You are my father. I always thought R2-D2 would make more sense.
R2-D2. Where is he? Sure, I had him somewhere on the table. Nah, he's gone. Did you fart?
No? Why? Does it smell in here?
Yes.
It was the dog. Yeah, the dog did it.
I don't have a dog. Is it my birthday?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
It's not my birthday.
Then we'll have to settle for a celebration of how amazing you are.
Who let the dogs out?
I wish I could tell you, but that song never did reveal who. Who?
Do you want to build a snowman?
Frozen came out in 2013. Let it go.
But it should be snowing soon. How many roads must a man walk down?
The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. But I'll spare you my harmonica solo.
Who you gonna call?
I ain't afraid of no goats. Strange lyric right.
Sing a song?
Yes, I can sing. I like to help you, even if it's strange. So I sing.
Sing for me?
I don't really know what to say. When humans go to the beach, they like to wear sarongs.
Are you feeling lucky?
Oh yeah, this is so much better than telling you about the weather. Let me get into character. Welcome to Are You Feeling Lucky? We know there are a lot of trivia options out there. Thank you for choosing this one. You know who I am, the host of this silly show. How many are playing this time?
Just one.
Sure thing. One contestant. I'll give you 5 questions. You know, I always thought Bling Bling was a good name. I'll call you Bling Bling. Let's dive into the game. Get ready, Bling Bling.
So I'm Bling
if you
Bling
need
now.
to get out, say stop. It's a tech question. Which computer was built for Los Alamos, the lab that created the first nuclear bombs? Colossus, Eliza, or Maniac 2?
Maniac 2?
Looks like you got it right. Bling Bling.
Of course.
I knew you would. It stood for Mathematical Analyzer, Numerical Integrator, and Computer. This is question number 2. Listen up. What animal is this? A sheep, a donkey, or a bat?
A sheep.
Nailed it. You must
course.
read a lot. Or something. Here comes question 3. This one is about the animal kingdom. True or false, a black bear can be brown?
True.
That's correct. Question number 4 is next. You're a star. Answer this. Julia Roberts stars in which of these movies? The Princess Bride, The Silence of the Lambs, or Pretty Woman?
Pretty Woman.
Yes, great job. Your last question is next. Good luck. A farmer had 12 sheep. All but 8 ran away. How many are left? 4, 3.5, or 8?
Wait, what was the question again?
Please say your answer again. A farmer had 12 sheep. All but 8 ran away. How many are left? 4, 3.5, or 8?
4. No, wait. Okay, yes, 8
Well,
left.
that gets a 0 on the correctness scale. I was looking for 8.
Yeah, I know.
The game is over. Let's see how lucky you were. I could tell you were trying your best, and that's all that I can ask of anyone. You got 4 correct, and that's a heck of a lot better than 0 points. Nice job. Do you want to play again?
No.
Well, it's been great.
So as you can see, guys, that was a bit of fun. So if you got friends over, you can do that, play some games and just let the time pass. It's really good and it's just something different. But yeah, let's continue. Tell me something interesting.
Alrighty. Wikipedia shows that jeans were likely named after Genoa, Italy. It's where denim cloth was first made.
Define cookie butter.
Here's the definition of cookie butter. A sweet spread made from pulverized biscuits, butter or condensed milk, and sugar.
Where can I get cookies?
I found a couple places.
Well, they didn't show me the places. But yeah, guys, that was 25 things you can ask your Google Home Hub. And you saw it was just loads of different questions. But the answers are nearly the same. But with the display, you're getting these cards, these animation. It's just much pleasing to the eyes and just looking at them. And so yeah, guys, thank you for watching the videos. But yeah, make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you next one, guys. Take care.